Tear down one, part one. Gracious.
You ever get the car keys out of these things? It's all right. So.
You almost done?
Almost got this set to it. We just got to take the top ball joint off, and then we'll pull the knuckle off, and we'll press the ball joints out.
There we go. Look, no, even.
Well, you just gonna leave it?
Yeah, it looks, I can see you.
Okay.
I'm sure.
In order to get this axle out, get this spindle off, we're going to take this bearing out. Press it out.
Yeah, I can see you.
Hey, go ahead and pause it for a minute, guys. Your back vent goes up. How's all you got it in?
Just relaxing. Video's still going. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay. That's what I was trying to
Yeah,
get at.
so that's because the system didn't leak out, so I didn't have to keep helping the whole final leak and using it freely.
So you just combine them all together.
Yeah, yeah. Or the other one, make sure you have label for this.
I'm almost done. I'm on the wall. Yes. No.
I still got a little work. And this is just tear down. We still got to press ball joints out, press new ones in, put it all back together.
Like this today.
All of it.
So I gotta catch-
This Jeep will be done today.
So I gotta catch all of that.
Every bit of it.
I don't think
But
the.
then you need to go through and edit it to like a 30-minute video. So you need to take everything you did all day and edit it to a 30-minute video. You see what I'm saying? That's how these YouTubers do it. They take their whole day and they edit it down into a 30-minute segment.
So when it gets for, how about this? When it gets to 30 minutes, I stop the recording.
Well, they're gonna want to see going back together and how to press ball joints in and out and stuff like that, you know. I hope you ain't got nothing to do today, 'cause you'll be out here sitting with me.
I have some stuff. I do.
You got stuff to do?
Yeah, I'm gonna play a game of Rec Room with Robbie today because it's gonna rain.
Gotcha.
But why do we have to like catch all of them when we can just make it a 30-minute video?
Because you have to do the key points of tear down and the key points of putting it back together.
That's gonna be hard. I don't know how long my mom's phone can stand, how much long it should go. I think it can only go like an hour or so.
An hour? Oh, we're gonna need at least 8 hours.
That's impossible for this. Impossible.
Impossible.
Nope, it can't do it. It can't do 8 hours.
How can you do it?
It's too much. It'll take up all Mom's memory space if it was.
Yeah, that's why really they get them GoPros with the memory cards and stuff, so it don't do that. So you can record as much as you want and we can stop.
I'm kind of getting tired of holding this phone for 12 minutes.
Well, that's not long at all, bub. They do it for hours upon hours.
Yeah, having the GoPro on the car or on your head would be easy.
GoPro on the head, yeah.
So everyone can
That
see.
would be easy, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but we don't have a GoPro. We need to get a GoPro. I'll convince my parents to get a GoPro. But I want to look for a way, if my parents say yes, to a gaming YouTube channel for me.
Okay, YouTube channel.
Gaming, like I'll play games. Maybe, I don't know how to set it all up, so I'm going to have to figure that out. So, you know. But I don't know what to do, a live stream or if to do just a video.
The live stream can't mess up because everybody can see you as you're doing it. That's a live stream. People log on and watch you as you're doing it.
I'm just saying, what do you think I should
I
do
can just do the
when
videos for now. When you get the hang of it, then do live streams. Because when you start doing live streams and people streaming you, that's when you start getting big money.
How about this? I think I should get some videos, and if I get a lot of subscribers and
There you go.
a lot of likes,
Yep.
I think I would just do a live stream. Maybe if I get to let's just start with 1,000 likes, I'll do a live stream. Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Four-wheel drive all the time, bro?
No,
It's locked in four-wheel drive.
shouldn't be.
Look at that. Here we go. Perfect. That's what I told him.
So you just need to do little bits at a time
Yep.
and then make it into a clip
Yep.
instead of letting it run the whole entire time. Because I already don't have a lot of memory there.
Well, I guess I can come get you and you can film whenever we do the ball joints, pressing the ball joints in and out.
Okay, I guess we can end the video and set it up to YouTube. Okay?
If that's what you want, bud. Yeah, do it.
Let's do it.
See what you got.
This is the end of part 1. Part 2 will be coming soonly. Probably today. Actually, yes, today. If you can't hear me, I'm going to say this again because you're probably going to hear me over this bang, bang, bang. So, well, okay. Part 2 will begin today. I don't know when, but it will begin today. Okay?